It's almost 5 p.m. So let's see how much we can do in the first day. It's like a lot of people working on it right now, and different people are doing different things. We got a shitty design document, but actually, well, works quite okay for us. So yeah, definitely not. Editor, don't show again, cancel, don't reopen. I don't need that. Okay, we got the weapon, and I'm working on the weapon right now. So let's go here, say blueprints, blueprint interface. We call it BPI weapon interface. And I cut my finger when I was making some food, so because I'm a dum-dum, so I make a lot of mistakes on my keyboard now because one of my fingers is kind of damaged. Let's see the chat. Okay, yeah, I already see people watching. Awesome. So let's make a new function, and the function will be trigger. Trigger will have an input param of bool, which says down, and compile. What else do we have? We have try reload, which is just an event, and we have what else can we have? That's enough for now. So just those two. Let's go here, BP weapon. Let's go into class settings, interface, weapon interface. Awesome. Okay. Compile, save, and okay. So the weapon also needs to be an AGR item, because it is an item after all. Not stackable, always one, inventory space one, base info. Okay, we need to add the tags again. So let's go into project setting. Hello, yeah, I can see you, I can hear you. I mean, I can see you. I will make the chat bigger in my preview because I don't want to miss anything like last time. Yeah, so gameplay tags, let's go here, gameplay tag, redirection. What? We don't need that. Add new tag, name of the tag. Oh my god, it will be easier if I just do that. No, it's actually easier to be here. So name of the, it's required to apply new settings later. So what do I want? I want item dot weapon dot primary, item dot weapon dot secondary, item dot weapon dot heavy, item dot weapon dot melee. Okay, so we got 4 types of weapons. So let's go here and say item dot weapon for this one. Weapon change me. Simulate when dropped. Sure, why not? Schedule mesh settings, collision, yeah. Custom. So yes, ignore. Okay. And collision enabled, physics and query, especially when it's on the ground. And we need to do some stuff here. So on item dropped, want to say, oh, we don't need to do anything, it's being done automatically. Do we need to really do anything? Oh yeah, we do have to. I'm thinking that we should use equip. Yeah. So let's say on equip user animation master valid. If it's valid, then say overlay, setup overlay pose, promote to variable overlay, and this is edit table. This is edit table. Okay. So we just have this for now. Okay, and we also need to do an on equip probably. Yeah. So we do this, and we also attach actor to component, and we need to say that the user is cast to character, and if it is a character, what? Why did we go back there? Here. Okay, strange. So yeah, this goes like this. Mesh. This is the parent, target itself, so it works. Socket name, let's promote to attach socket name. Hello. Snap, like I don't really like this new UI. Keep words, yeah. And set collision enabled on skeletal mesh. No collision. Want it to be out of any queries and anything really. When it's dropped, it should then maybe have collision reassigned. On item dropped, enable collision. Okay, that's everything for the weapons for now. So now we want to do this trigger, implement event, and we want to get EB barrel and say shoot. Okay, and also EB barrel shooting blocked is true, and on equip block yeah, set shooting blocked. On equip says no, and on unequip say shooting blocked yes. Doesn't matter who's the owner. So this is on dropped, unequip, trigger, equip, and we now EB barrel add event. Oh no, we also need tick event running with parent. That's cool. What we want to do is line trace by channel. This is local controlled is instigator parameters q parameters control play. Wow, but this is abilities.
I'm back.
Sucks I can't use it. Hi.
Hey.
Local cast to character. I'm doing the weapons.
Mm-hmm. You're streaming already?
Yeah. Like I've done all this like a million times. Game features will be actually amazing to think about it. Like I could make this just a gameplay feature and I could just add it to any project. This is huge.
Make it one last time and then...
Yeah, also like the inputs of the WSAD and the jumping and stuff like that. What is Mega Game Jam? It's the Epic Games Game Jam, basically. You're also taking part. Yeah, we are taking part. And the entire team of AGR Pro is taking part in the Game Jam, so yeah. Using Easy Ballistics. Yeah, I'm in love with Easy Ballistics, I must say. Like, if someone convinced me that I should use a different system, that would be a very hard sales pitch, honestly.
Hello game, how's it going?
Hi.
I just came back.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, I need to make this a function. Collapse to function.
Okay, do
rotate.
you have an idea why we had problems with reloading or the activation on start? The modular game feature?
Start? Probably because of the initial state of the game feature.
Mm-hmm.
But it's, I think, proper. Like we made
Maybe you
sure.
could take a look at it. Because in your demo this morning we didn't have this problem, so we probably made some mistakes, some stupid mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so only locally. And then it will be this. So this is valid. And it found an item. Then ignore actors and then add owner always.
Is there anything new to the repo? New branch or new pull request?
No, I don't think so. Like I
Develop.
refreshed a second ago.
The last commit starts with 6722.
So
you
it
see that?
should be up to date. 672, yeah. But you said that you got Danger Architect running on Unreal Engine 5, so I thought that maybe.
No. I was buying some food, and while I was away, I got got a message from Ali.
Okay.
I'm downloading it right now.
Like I think I once on the Discord made him mad about me, angry at me, and so he starts
Oh
ignoring.
really?
Yeah.
Oops. I just messaged him like 2 hours ago.
Which sucks. I mean, I'm in grade 8 of his work, but what can you do? Visibility, throw debug none. So the start will be get player camera manager actor location. This is the start. Forward vector. Oh, what's this? I can't drag 3 items at once? Strange. Plus... Oh no, first I have to do like a multiplication. So I have to multiply by literal float. Float. No. How to do it? Okay, maybe I want an input on the function. Range float. Okay, so I can now type range. Awesome. Types range plus, so actor location plus this is the end trace. Okay. So on true, and I think the hit results changed, or it didn't. No, I think it didn't. Okay, what do I need? I need impact point, and I need to set world rotation of EB barrel, and I need to find look at rotation from the current world location to this impact point. This is true, and also return node, we could post this hit event, because why not? Okay, this was easy. Range, let's say 10,000, which is not really much, like 100 meters. So now the barrel should rotate, and I need to go get my coffee. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's see at the chat. I want my top-down shooter. Awesome. We were thinking about a top-down twin stick shooter, but we ended up with FPS shooter because everyone on the team wanted to do an FPS. I'm still learning. I know that you're learning, but I also seen your work and I know what progress you made in the last year, as you're with my channel since the start. Fateless.
Is it me or I'm not seeing the chat on Twitch?
This is on YouTube chat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like on my screen I can see both chats at the same time in single window, so I can answer anyone. So it might not make much sense to some people listening to just one of those places.
No, it makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah, probably it's best when you read the question.
Okay, we got this. Yeah, probably. So let's make a weapon. So let's go here and let's make new folder called items. Inside that, and let's call it BP. I have no idea. Let's just move it here and let's see what will be our first weapon. So let's go into low poly weapon kit, low poly weapons. Which one is which one? Let's switch maps and see. Ooh, compile. Oh, wow, 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 wow. It's like a lot.
You're back.
Okay. And it's frozen. And we have a crash.
Oh no.
UE5 running out of space. So
Yeah, wait for it. Maybe.
maybe it's something interesting.
Yeah.
Like definitely not disk space. By the way, like running out of space.
Wow, that's taking forever.
Yeah. Oh, finally. So fatal error.
Can you
Okay.
maximize it?
Oh, let's.
Ooh.
Error device
Oh,
removed.
this-
Oh, my graphic card's just
This is your-
disconnected.
Graphics card, yeah.
Yeah, it says like, no, not today. Yeah, this is what my graphic cards do, like lately a lot more than it should.
She wants to be upgraded to a 3090.
It's a 3070 that's almost
me.
new. I mean, yeah, if we win, we'll get a 3090, but I think that there are people in the team that don't have an RTX, so deserve it a lot more than I do. E5 ran out of space. Yeah, like it just destroys your RAM. UE5 just loves your RAM. And now cancel. Like it opened really fast, surprisingly fast. And all I did just open one of the overview maps and started compiling shaders and it just failed.
Mm.
Oh, just like that.
Yeah, maybe you're running out of VRAM.
But for fuck's sake, shouldn't it like manage the texture streaming and everything?
I have no idea. Can you open up a task manager? I haven't had this problem.
Well, this is obvious.
Yeah, the
So this is like
dedicated
5 gigabytes
memory
out of
usage.
8. What the hell? It's taking 3 gigabytes on just one 4K texture.
Yeah, it could be that because you're streaming, you're also eating.
Oh,
some-
maybe, but
some
that
more
much.
I have no idea, really.
And I need to do something about editor preferences, and there should be a resource manager. No, how was it called? Show.
What are you looking for?
There is
Show frame rate
yeah,
and
this
memory?
one. Exactly this one. so this is, but yeah, but this is just literally RAM.
This is your normal RAM, yeah.
Okay, I don't know.
If you open up it now.
If I open them up now, it will just crash again.
Yeah. That's fine.
You want
more
to
or
see
less.
it crash?
Let the task manager open.
Okay. I will put it here. And let's go into, I don't know, a different level. Let's say this one.
.3.
So this one loaded. 5.5, compiling shaders. Whoa.
Which one did you try to open where it crashed?
The weapons. So probably each weapon
we
got
have
us.
3 weapons. We have 3 weapons.
2 of them crashed. So
Oh.
let's see.
5.7 now.
Streaming. Mm,
6. Yeah, it's always almost on the at the limit.
air streaming pool size, VRAM percentage clamp. Okay, let's use this one and let's say 80. And let's also say streaming pool, our streaming pool size, just pool size, and let's say 4000. Okay. Okay, and now it clamped to 6. Oh, nice. So those are spinning.
Mm.
Like even in unlit, this looks really good.
Yeah, but check out the fans. They are physically useless when you look from behind. You can pull out the module. Yeah, maybe go to unlit mode. It's easier to see. The
Yeah.
backplane is just closed, so
Nah, doesn't matter.
but it looks nice.
Yeah.
That's what counts.
But it needs a bit more lighting
And this
for
is
sure.
this seems to be all foliage, so you
Yeah.
just can paint it wherever you want.
Yeah, just and it adds a bit of randomness to it, which is also nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so this loaded. So maybe low poly weapon. Okay, this one I didn't try. Maybe it will load. 6 gigabytes. Oh, it's this one. Okay. We could probably build an armory based on this room. Just make it bigger and add a shooting range to the side of it.
Mm.
Please no.
Please no.
Please no.
Use the lower poly one.
Yeah, I just meant the room, not the weapons. Like
That goes with the other style too.
really.
These weapons are very low poly. If you look at the front side of the shotgun, for example.
Okay, wait, this one
it
crashed
looks
last time.
Like a screw.
7 gigabytes. Oh, my GPU RAM is about to die.
Yeah, you're living on the edge.
And it
He's
died.
good.
Yeah, out of VRAM.
Yeah, nothing I can do
That's
about that.
unfortunate.
Like Nvidia was just genius. Like, let's make really expensive video cards and give them 8 gigabytes of RAM. Oh, and by the way, here's a entry level card, 3060. Let's give it 12 gigabytes of RAM. Like seriously, Nvidia, what the hell were you thinking? Like I would actually
Yeah.
swap my 3070 to a 3060 if I could, just for this extra RAM.
Nvidia dum dum.
Oh my god.
And they are already talking about a super card, like they did for the 20 series.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable.
Someone said that we could get Strider working with AGR. Yeah, definitely, but I don't think I have Strider. I can get an answer. What? Design for FPS. Also, it's on sale. Design for FPS. Fateless, can you repeat the question? I didn't get it. Oh, is it possible to make AGR work with the Strider? Yes, definitely, but I don't have Strider, so I can't make a video about it. But I know that it's doable. Shouldn't be an issue at all. Like AGR only provides you with variables, and Strider is doing the actual heavy lifting of doing something with the provided animations and variables. Okay, so I have, where am I? Here, items, weapons. Let's make this first weapon. Okay, let's not open the map.
We can modify texture a little of those low polygon to add some amizab effect to give more sci-fi effect to go with the stuff. Just an idea.
Do we really want to make a sci-fi Steyr Aug? Is it important? Like we can add more weapons, like even a custom weapons, but start with those. So those are static meshes. What the hell? They're all static meshes. Do they have attachments? Attachment points? Do they have any sockets?
I mean, we are in a PC, so simple weapon don't make much sense. Hee.
Okay, my comment on that, not overcomplicate things. Work with what we have right now. Don't make fancy lights on weapons and modifications until you have weapons that actually shoot and animate.
Yeah, that's true.
Strider is on sale. Yeah, I might grab it, but definitely not for the game jam. Okay, where the hell?
Aye, Captain.
Where are sockets? Oh, okay, socket manager is here, so no sockets at all. Okay, that's...
They are static meshes.
Yeah, they're all static meshes, are they? Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh. That's interesting. And what about the other pack? Static meshes. Everything is static mesh. Okay, that...
LOL static again.
Yeah, let's go here. Oh, no, let's go... Game. Blueprints, and... Well,
There's
guess
skeletal
what?
meshes
This is not a
for-
skeletal mesh.
No, there is skeletal mesh and the low poly weapon skill.
Is there?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
The first one? No, not this pack. The other one.
Oh, okay, in the other pack. This one.
Skeletal mesh.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's like... Okay.
Why is the mag like that?
Because it's not animated, so you can use just kinematics to animate this. So it's separated probably for export, so by any chance on import it doesn't get reattached as a single body. Oh, but I don't like this quality.
Ew.
Like the ones that are static meshes, they are a lot more simple, but they will actually serve better purpose on our style of the game. They're like
Yeah.
hand painted. Yeah, let's just use static meshes. It doesn't hurt. And both packs got static meshes, and only one got skeletal meshes. So yeah, BP weapon definitely modification. Static mesh component, which
So we
is
will make mag animated based on the hand movement.
no, we're not going to probably even do reload, or we'll make like a super basic reload where the mag is attached to a hand and just gets attached to the weapon, something like that. Okay, so skeletal mesh goes brute, and now it should a bit fail. So okay, no parent, no problem. Here's your new parent. Event graph, actor enable collision, so I don't have to do anything about that. Self to this mesh, snap keyboard, okay. Yeah, that was the entire change I had to do.
Well, in that case, just move the weapon low and then raise it later on so we can't see it swapping mag. Opinion, it will be simpler and still look okay.
Oh yeah, or something like that. That will be fine. So much. Can you do a tutorial about the reload mag attachment thing? Yeah, probably, but I will probably do it shitty right here and then do it properly later on. So yeah, let's start with those meshes. So let's make just few example weapons, so you have something to work with. So let's make it BP AKM. Okay, and let's use this one. So we do this, open full blueprint, and we start swapping stuff. So we go here and say, whoa, easier, click and paste, and viewport, and we need sockets. Okay, so let's open this guy and let's add sockets. So let's add one called barrel, and no, not grid, and if then one. Okay, it's not by grid, but is it? Let's just push it a little bit down. Okay, so this is barrel, and we need another one that will be called mag, and this one will go like here probably. Oh no, or like here, I guess. We're gonna see in a second. So BP weapon. So this is the weapon mesh. I'm going to add another. I mean, magazines would be best if we're actors, not components. Yeah, screw it. Static mesh component. Clear. And the attachment point is mag, but this has to be done on construction script. So except it's this the target. Boom boom. Okay, let's go here, and now I have a mag, and the mag will be rifle one. The hell is this? Oh, this is the trigger. Cool. and this is the Mac. Oh, I wanted to check something. If I, and this is like,
They're probably exported with an export already.
yeah, so I suppose that if I drag all those into a scene, they will build up
Offset.
perfectly. Oh, no, it's not with offset. Ooh. I thought it would be, but it's not. So the mag,
Too bad.
oh my god.
So it seems like Dungeon Architect is compiling fine for UE5 now.
Okay, there's some good news. Okay, let's remove this mag and we're going to do, okay, compile, save, blueprint bad, well, no shit. We have to go here, delete this, and let's reopen this. Viewport, okay, so now it just has this. So yeah, we go here and just add components to it. We don't even need sockets. And we can just move it by hand. And we can add another one. Yeah, good we have a lot of people on the team, because this would take a lot of time for a single person. And the last thing, whoa, not here, jeez, here, this one. Oh, okay, this is actually here. Okay. Maybe we'll think about attachments later on. Let's go into HR item and let's just change the name to AKM, and let's go into barrel and let's say that the full auto and cycle ammo unlimited for now, but in general 30. And where's the speed? Fire rate, yeah, let's make it like at least 5. Actual AKM got 10, but that's insanely fast. Okay, so if I just put it here, and hit play. Oh, okay, because I'm simulating. Let's say select viewport. So okay, it's here. It exists. So now we need to be able to pick it up. Okay, should I do it through our... I understand.
Hello again.
Yeah, my engine lags, like I have terrible FPS, I can see that. Let's make it balance. And make T max FPS 60. That's better. So, should we use our character features? I think we should, to make interaction with pickable objects. So input action and input mapping. So we need another input action. Okay, so we need multiple actions, right? Input action, I would call it jumping then. Data verification fail, la 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 la. What? Oh, I can't rename stuff. That's great.
What? Where?
If I have active game feature, if I rename as something that is specified here, it gives me a warning that I shouldn't.
Ah, okay.
So yeah, that actually makes sense. So I
Yeah,
need more
makes sense.
input actions. So input action underscore interact. And this input action will go here. It says trigger, down, consume, and everything default. And now in character features, I can say input. So this input is with this action. So I will have to make an ability of interaction with something. Jesus, this will take forever. So it's like this, and now this is context. So I add mapping, and I have. Oh no, it doesn't work like this. And I just broke mapping. Jesus. Jumping. Spacebar. Save. ENC character context. It goes into the module. ENC character context 1. Okay. Okay. Okay, I don't know how to do it right now. I will just do it the way I would normally do it. At least temporarily. Let's make a work in progress or something.
I'm working on the game framework classes now.
Awesome.
Oh, and Dungeon Architect is pushed.
Awesome. I'm going to update in a second. So yeah, even take. What I want to do is do what I've done in the last tutorial, honestly, because I want to have interaction not only directly in front of me, but I want interaction at certain angles. So I will do sphere overlap. Actors. The sphere position is get actor location. So in the middle of our capsule, the sphere radius will be, well, let's collapse this to a function, honestly, and say search for interaction